guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am decluttering, cleaning, and decorating for springtime and Easter. So all I had to do is just take down these pictures because I've already taken down stuff from Valentine's Day, and I just wanted to give everything a good wiping because in this process I was in the middle of spring cleaning. So I just wanted to make sure I gave everything a good cleaning. So I'm just showing you everything that I got out of the storage unit with my decor for spring, and for some reason everything was just mixed in there. So I think I'm gonna do a video here soon where I just pull all of my decor boxes out and I just go through everything, because some things I didn't end up using or don't want anymore, and then some things are just not in the right place. Like I had like Valentine's Day stuff in this box, and then sometimes I think I had like a Christmas something in there. So it just got out of hand, and so I just need to go through everything, all of my decor. But again, that will be in a later video. But right now I just wanted to declutter, and the way I like to declutter is the Konmari method. Is that's by touching everything and just making sure that I want it, and if I don't want it, then I ended up putting it in a bag so I can give it to Goodwill.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. What's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. Before I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done. I'ma drink at this page. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling?
So at the beginning of my videos, I like to introduce myself to anyone who may be new. My name is Courtney. I do all types of cleaning, decluttering, decorating videos, organizing, any type of homemaking videos. I do those. And if that's something that interests you or you like to watch, please make sure you push that subscribe button so you can join my little YouTube family. And you can also follow me on Instagram. My handle name is The Life of Courtney 19.
Someone save me before I pass out. I'm too lonely to be done. I'ma drink at this page. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? The only one that's
that we got all of that decluttered, we are moving on to the decorating part. I'm just showing you everything that I have, and it's really not a whole lot. It does look like it is, but again, I got all of this on clearance, and a lot of this is old stuff that I already had. So, but anyways, we're just gonna get into the decorating part, and let me just tell you, I was in love with what I did. But I am very curious, do you guys decorate for every holiday, or you just kind of keep it simple and you just decorate for the main holidays like Christmas and I don't know, maybe just Christmas? Like, just let me know, like, do you decorate for all the holidays, or are you just kind of like, no, we're just doing Christmas? So I decided to keep this in the video, even though I did not keep it this way, which you'll see later on in the video. But I was just could not make up my mind how I wanted this to look. But the way that I end up doing it, it was just, I loved it. And I ended up moving that Happy Easter to this little banner here, or this little side here, which you'll see in a few minutes. But I just wanted to let you know that sometimes like that happens when you're decorating. You think you're going to do one way and then it end up going another way, and so I just wanted to keep that in the video just to show, like, you know, this is real life. You know, I don't have it right the first time, which is okay. And yeah, so I just wanted to make that point.
Giving no compliments, I'm yours if you need a friend, yeah, yeah. Fake one, staying until the end. Yeah, I know how to play pretend. Tell me, how do I get inside? Open up your mind. In this I know how to win a fight, Cause it's just my habit, and I can't describe it. And she can talk about it like it's magic. The way that she loves my habits, just my habits. I can't describe it. And she can talk about it like it's magic. The way that she loves my habits. Get it right, I still have you on my side, staying night after night, cause you're mine. Cause it's just my habit, and I can't describe it. And she can talk about it like it's magic. The way that she loves my habits, just my habits, and I can't describe it. My habits. I'm acting surprised, but I know I'm not over. You keep missing our fights, even though they're so overdue. We had a fire, now we're watching it burn low. Isn't it time we go our separate ways? Not enough time, not enough time. I'm falling behind, I hate to separate my body and mind, my body and mind. So
will be the last little area that I will be decorating. But let me know in the comment section how you think or what you think about everything that I decorated today in this video. But thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to push that subscribe button, and you can also follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Isn't it time we go our separate ways? Not enough time, not enough time. I'm falling behind, I hate to separate my body and mind, my body and mind. You feel like demons in my mind, demons in my mind. You taste like demons in my mind, demons pushing all my triggers. Surprised, but I know I'm not over you. Keep missing our fights. Think I'm losing my mind, but I guess that's what love do.